How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and yet another day where NIO just explodes up. And I did do one move. I did sell a call option on NIO. I made it so I'll show you guys. Actually, show you right now. I sold a $60 call for that expires on Friday. That gave me $115. So I don't think that NIO can get to $60 by Friday. I mean, it would need to go up way more than 10%. I think more than like 15%. I don't think it would be able to get 15% in the next 2 days. I don't think so. And so I sold 5 of them. Expires on July 2nd on Friday, which will give me $115 worth of premium. So that's pretty good. I think that's a good one, a good move that I made. But look at NIO, man. NIO is going up a crazy amount, up 5%. Today, up 0.51% after hours. I have no idea how high it could go. I think I've been saying since the beginning of the year that I think NIO could get to $80 by the end of the year, 80 to $120. And I'm going to stick to it. I think NIO has the potential to get to $120, $80 the least amount. If not, I'll be happy if it gets back to all-time highs. And NIO has so much in store. I believe NIO has the potential to be a monster. I think it can easily get up to $200 per share by 2025. If not, way more than that, way more. I'm being conservative because I believe NIO will do very good things, and I don't want to be, disappointed. I don't want to be like, oh, NIO can get to $500 or $1,000 per share. I mean, it has the potential to do it as long as it could keep innovating. I've seen many people compare NIO to like an Apple, where it's getting all these different revenue streams. It's getting all these subscriptions. It's selling cars. It has its battery swaps. The battery swaps is a big thing, man. Battery swaps is gonna make this company huge. Like, this has so many different money makers, and it's just barely starting. We don't even know what is in store in the future. There's gonna be the freaking robo-taxi network eventually. Like, it's gonna be a big. I will not be surprised if NIO becomes what Tesla is in terms of market cap. Look at Tesla's market cap. Tesla market cap 650 billion. NIO market cap 80 billion, or a little more than 80 billion, I believe. That's gonna be another 8x from here. For it to 8x, it'll be over $400. $400. Do I want to get more NIO shares eventually? Yeah, I would love to, but right now I'm freaking broke. I'm actually happy with my position in terms of like how much I have in it compared to how much I have in my portfolio. Because if you look at my total equity, I have 26,000. It's my biggest position in my portfolio by far. Like, my second biggest is Tilray, which is 6,000. So it's my biggest position by far. Like, I want to get some other positions, more money in other positions, like Ethereum. I think Ethereum right now is probably the best buy. Ethereum is the best buy right now. NIO has gone up a tremendous amount. I think if you can get NIO in the 40s, that would be a super good buy. If you believe NIO in the long term, and you're not happy with the position that you have. Remember, I'm no financial advisor, but let's just say I wasn't happy with the position that I had with NIO. I am happy right now. It's my biggest position by a lot. I would totally be buying it right now. Every time I could, I would be buying it. But right now, I'm broke. I am really broke. Like, if you look at this crap. Look at this. I am $21,000 in margin. Like, I am not planning on buying anything anymore unless I deposit more money into my portfolio. And I don't plan on depositing any more money into my portfolio for a little while. But the next thing that I'm really looking into is Ethereum. I think Ethereum right now is probably the best buy because it went up so high. It went all the way up to $4,400. And look at it. It's at $2,250. So it's down basically almost 50%. If we look at look at this. it was down 56%. Now it's down a little less than 50%, like 45%. I think this is a beautiful buy. Like, even if Ethereum gets back to its all-time highs, however long it takes, maybe by the end of the year, you double your money if you buy some right now. Why would you not want to do that? And right now I have two coins. I think Ethereum is a beast, a good buy up till 3,000. I think that's the my ending of position where I would stop buying is 3,000 Ethereum. Because even then, 3,000 to 4,400, that's almost 50% gain from there. And I believe Ethereum can easily grow more and more and more as time goes on. Ethereum is one of those things that you don't want to buy and leave it alone for the next few years. And once Robinhood comes out with its wallet, I'm gonna transfer my crypto out to so I can get some interest. I would love to get maybe like 5 coins. I think I can get probably 5 coins. And if Ethereum gets to 4,400, that will be a good $22,000 worth of Ethereum, which is pretty good. I would love to get Ethereum up to my second biggest position right now. My second biggest position is Tilray. So even if I get one more coin, it will be competing for my second biggest position. It just depends on what moves more. But I think, yeah, Ethereum right now is a one that's right there where I want to buy. I really want to buy. The next thing that I really, really want to buy is Corsair Gaming and Tattooed Chef. Both of these, I believe, are very good companies right now. And they are down a little bit from their all-time highs. Like, Corsair went all the way up to $51.37 all-time high, and right now it's at 33. I believe it will get back to all-time highs. I believe it can get to $100 a share. So I would want to get at least up to 250 shares for Corsair, if not 300 shares. I'll be happy with that. And there's Tattooed Chef, same thing. I think the all-time highs or 52-week highs for Tattooed Chef, there it is, $28. I think long-term, this same thing could be a $100 stock. And usually with these food players, eventually they start paying out dividends. So if I can get a massive position in Tattooed Chef and eventually it becomes what I believe it could become, this one could potentially pay out dividends. And I would love to also to get about 250 to not 300 shares. So those three right now are buys for me at this moment. Other than that, even MP, I would love to get some more MP, but that's not really on my radar as much. It went up quite a bit. I think if you can get it under $30, that would have been a better buy. It went all the way down to low 20s too. Oh yeah, look at that. And then the last one that I would like to buy, Shopify. Shopify, I think if you can keep buying this under that $200 billion market cap. So I think maybe under 1,700. I think if you can get some Shopify under 1,700 for the long term, you'll be set. This company right here will be a $1 trillion market cap in the future. If you can get it under 200 billion, just buy whenever you can. Like that's what I'm gonna do. Buy whenever I could. 100 there. It's kind of expensive to get one share, right? 1,400. It's kind of expensive. I will want to get this one also a high position. I think this is one of the less riskier ones, I believe. I think for Shopify, it's going to be one of those companies that will be a huge monster. Will be one of the top 10 biggest companies out there in the world. Shopify. It is comparable to Amazon. I think this is what Amazon was a long time ago. This is going to be a $1 trillion market cap. This will make 5x your money in the long term. I'm talking about 5 to 10 years. It's a safe one, a safe bet. Not really super safe, but I think it has less risk. I think like the most this one can drop. The most this baby could drop. I think it could get under $1,000 if there's like a huge correction. But the potential for this, I'm telling you, it's 5x, if not more, over time. Could this be a $1 trillion market cap? Yes. Could it be a multi-trillion dollar market cap? I'm talking about 10 plus years. Probably, yeah. Yeah, but that's my buys right now. Top buy right now is Ethereum. But it is moving. Ethereum is moving, right? Right here would be the best opportunity to buy if you didn't have it. If you had nothing into Ethereum and you were looking into it, this was the best time. I think under 2,500 is still a good buy. Under 2,000 was the best buy. If Ethereum went all the way down to 1,500, the lower it went, the better. Even under 3,000, still a good buy. After that, you're getting okayish money back on your for your money. You're getting okay return for your money after 3,000, I believe. But it just depends on how long you're planning on holding. But yeah, this is the portfolio. We're back above 40K. It's been a long time since we've been above 40,000. Last time we were above 40,000, March 15th. So it's been more than 3 months. And the next goal, 50K. Remember, that was my end goal. My end goal was 50K. Can we get back to 50K? Can we get back there? That's the goal. That is the goal. If we can get back to 50K before the year ends, that's what we wanted to do. That was the main goal for the year, to get past $50,000. And if we can get anything more than that, will help us to our next goal of 100,000. So 100,000 is for next year. This year we started off about 20,000, and then the goal is to get to 50K. And then if we can get to 50K, if not more, the next goal will be to get to 100K. So we had to double up to 100K. So if we can get anywhere past 50,000, we can get past 100K even faster. And that's the goal. We want to keep breaking down these milestones. Went to 25,000. Now we have to go to 50K, then 100K. After 100K, the goal will be 250,000. After 250,000, 500K. We're going straight to 1 million after that. So we're done with 25,000. 50K is next. Then 100K, 250K, 1 million. So 4 more milestones to go to get to millionaire status on this account. How long will it take? I don't know. I think with the current stocks that we have, NIO, Shopify, Tattoo Chef, Corsair, with all these Ethereum, I think we can get to 250,000. I think we can. It might take a few years. It might take 4 years, maybe 5 years. I think we can get to 250,000 with these ones. And eventually, if we can find another beast stock, a huge potential stock, that we can funnel 100,000 whenever we get 250K, we can probably get to that next level of $1 million. So stay tuned. This is a long journey, man. Long journey. I told you guys, super transparent. I really show you everything. I have nothing to lose. Doesn't matter to me. I show you my losses. I show you my gains. I show you the big green days. I show you the big red days. Just look at my freaking channel history.